Begins with the welcome. The homecoming of the night. James Harden, dressed for success. Sixers Knicks. Harden's introduction in Philly sounded like this. They're excited to have him, and to say it like it is, when he wants to play, he's unbelievably good. Look at him early in the first quarter doing what he does. Mr. Inside. He's also Mr. Outside. 19 in the first half for the Beard in his Philly debut. Third quarter, those Sixers down 7, but they're getting to work. Harden and Embiid. They work together so well. Just their third game, but the chemistry is good. Sixers within 4. Then later in the quarter, Harden and Embiid. He's Mr. Outside. 27 for Joel. The Sixers are coming back, and then they would leave the Knicks in their dust. Harden plus the foul and the flex. Sixers up 13. To the fourth we go. It's a 10-point game. Don't forget Tyrese Maxey. This team has a big three, and he's the third component. He would score 25, and then it's Harden. This is Matisse Thybulle for the layup. 26 points, 9 boards, 9 assists for the Beard. So far, so good. Sixers win by 15.
It was a movie. Everything that I expected it to be. I think everybody in the world knows how great these fans are, how passionate they are about these Sixers. It felt great to be out here, man. I try to get the jitters out early, but I mean, it was fun out here. I'm just happy to came with the win.
Listen, I mean, it's only been 3 games, and they haven't played a really good team yet, but they are lighting it up since they got Harden. They average 127 points per game. They're the first pair of teammates in NBA history to each score 25 or more in their first 3 games together. We'll have much more on this. Thank you for watching ESPN on YouTube. For live streaming sports and premium content, subscribe to ESPN+.